Yeah. Man, you come, doing, sir? Good, man. You come up, man. You come out there on a big wheel, man.
Arthritis, man.
Okay.
You had to do what I see on the damn video yesterday. You look like somebody I saw on the damn video yesterday.
On a video? Yeah. What video?
On Facebook.
On Facebook?
Yeah,
it's a possibility. I got a Facebook page. I do my videos on as well. Washington's hands-on services.
I don't know, I might have saved that something.
Yeah, that might be me. I ain't know I was popular on Facebook yet. I do a lot of TikTok. I hope you save it so I can see myself.
That is. You're doing like an advertisement video, like you had two things like that. See that key in there? On the floor?
Yeah.
Start it from Might have been you, but I'm sorry.
No, you all good. Now, yeah, if I made it look that easy on the video, that definitely was me, man.
It was a great call you did, man, I think.
A great call?
You were saying, I just saw this shit yesterday, man.
A great call?
And it was somebody that, it was like somebody called.
Mm-hmm.
And you went out and did your thing. And it looked like a dude like you, man.
It could be me, man. I mean, I ain't gonna tell you it wasn't me, because I do be on Facebook. I mean, more people that know me on TikTok than I do on Facebook, but I mean...
Man, you made two cops look like shit, man.
Two cops?
Yeah, because one of my partners, he work over here.
Uh-huh.
He's over the sheriff department.
Mm-hmm.
And he said one of his guys, he had his own little personal
mm-hmm.
stuff. And then he said, so he wasn't able to do it, so he called somebody from the sheriff department to do it. He came in with a Slim Jim, and blood, and went on both sides. He couldn't.
Come on, man.
You made him look like shit, bro. I'm like,
come on, man.
He was here. The first one, he was for 20 minutes. Then the dude from the sheriff department came, and so he was a white guy. If you do that, if you don't.
Right.
He saw it. He saw it popping when you put the stem in there.
Mm-hmm.
But it wasn't doing that.
Didn't get it up high enough. Man, I tell everybody, man, the hardest part about this is waiting for me to get here, man. If you can wait for me to get here, man, I'm gonna take care of you, man.
You're the man, but what I need to do?
You good, man? I took a photo when I arrived, so we good to go. That's all I got to take a couple pictures, and that's a wrap, man.
Man, you fucking man, dog.
Nice meeting you, Mr. Lawrence.
Bro.
Nice meeting you,
Where
bro.
You at,
Baton Rouge.
Let me get your name and number.
Yeah. Android.
Yeah, hold up.
Nah, just hold it there. Just hold it there. It's gonna pop up.
No, I need to open my phone.
Yeah, open up your phone.
Alright, it's open.
Should pop up.
Yeah, I got it. My partner here.
I'm the man, sweetheart. When you need help, I got you.
anybody calling me. So, alright.
Just save it. That's all my information right there. My name, all my contact information, all my social media websites, everything. So anything you need, anytime you need me, it's all my info right there.
Got you, bro. Thank you, man.
No problem, man.
You the man, bro.
I appreciate that. All right.